Hey everyone! In today's video, we're diving into a quick and helpful tutorial on how to delete invite messages on Instagram. First things first. Open Instagram on your mobile device. Now, click on the message icon at the top right corner. Now, open the chat where you sent the invite message. Once you are in, you can see I have sent invite message to this user. When you click and hold the message, a drop-down menu will appear. Here you can see there is no option delete. To delete invite message, click on View Profile when you're in the chat. This will open up the user's profile. Now, pay close attention. To unlock the delete option, you need to block the person. Head to the top right corner. Click on the three dots. And then click on the block. Confirm that you want to block the person, and now, here's the key step, go back to your chat. The delete option is now visible. Click on delete, and you'll see a prompt to permanently delete the chat. Click on permanently delete, and that's it. The chat will be wiped from your phone. And the invitation you sent will be cancelled. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.